Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word sublimate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the breakup, Sarah was able to sublimate her feelings of anger and sadness by channeling them into her artwork. To sublimate means to transform or divert negative emotions or impulses into positive and socially acceptable outlets, such as art or creativity. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.